Multani official passage number 5. It has come to the notice of government that certain heads of attached departments have been absent from headquarters frequently, or for long periods, on tour, full stop, while government themselves expect them to go on tour occasionally and to check the work of their subordinates, full stop. It is necessary to emphasize that the presence of the heads of attached departments is also required at headquarters to advise government, full stop. Their frequent or long absence from headquarters regards the administration in as much as they cannot be called in for consultation, which is necessary now more than ever because of the concentration of executive functions in the hands of the heads of attached departments, full stop. Para, it should, therefore, be left more to the regional officers to tour frequently and to supervise the work of their subordinate, full stop. There should be some planning so far as the touring of the heads of attached departments or other officers is concerned, full stop. For instance, it is a waste of time and public money for an officer to be in Peshawar for a few days, then at Hyderabad and then back at Rawalpindi, full stop, unless an emergency makes such doubling up of the tracks unavoidable, officers should avoid unplanned and wasteful touring, full stop. Before proceeding on tour, the head of an attached department should submit his tour program to government through the secretary concerned, and should leave only after the approval of government has been given, full stop. Para, the present practice of requiring all the regional and district officers of the area to be present when the head of an attached department visits a place should be given up, full stop. Ordinarily, only the officer in immediate charge of a project or the area visited should be required to be present, full stop. On return to headquarters, the heads of attached department should submit a report to government, through the secretary, close, regarding the work done on tour, full stop. Apart from other particulars, they should report on the progress of the various projects or schemes in operation in the areas visited, the grievances of the public brought to their notice and the steps taken by them to remove such grievances, full stop.